hate fixing brand new work because now it's like we're redoing something used. So let me show you what's happened. To my horror, you know, when I first started watching these guys nail, guess what? We were right here. And take a look at this. That's good. That's good. That's how this is supposed to be, right? Not bad, good, good, good. And then that not bad there. See how the nails sit on the surface? But look what they did. They got the air pressure set too high, so they broke the substrate, broke the outside surface here, and got into the substrate, and this ruins the board. That ruins the board. So, when I first saw him nailing, all I saw was this, and I thought, okay, good. Well, I come back, and now the whole damn job's done, and it's not good. It's not good at all. So come over here, and so now I had to call the framer, and the framer, he knows he screwed up. And he's taking care of it to his credit. So he's coming back and he's already started, you can see. And now they're filling all these holes, and these are pretty good. That one, and I mean, I'm not gonna worry about every single hole, but in general, I want the hole filled and I want it to be smooth. Like if that's the pocket, we want it to be flat. We want all that putty to be in there because we don't want water to get back in there. And we want it to look clean and smooth when it's painted. And so I'm gonna have, after we're done here, Alex, you can hit that with paint and we'll see what it looks like. But it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. But what I have to see is, for every hole you see here, I wanna see a nail like that, just like that. I wanna see a nail where the head is sitting on the surface and it hasn't broken it. And so he knows he's I don't see my framer here right now, but he's been here because he's the one who filled these holes. He's going to get all these holes filled. Now take a look, there's thousands of them. Take a look, thousands of them. And they're not all that fun and convenient to fix because he's got to hook up under here. See that? Those are all bad. And let's take a look at one that's no good. Take a look at this. See that? No good, no good, no good, no good. You know, the only good ones are when it's sitting on the surface because it shouldn't damage the board. And, you know, it has to do with the shear strength and everything else. The board is already, so that's why I say, you know, there's nothing worse than fixing brand new work. I hate fixing brand new work because now it's like we're redoing something used, but they're taking care of it. And so it's not going to matter because the only thing worse than fixing is letting it go, not taking care of it. This will be taken care of. When it's all done, it's going to look right. It's going to look perfect, and it's going to be strong, structurally sound. And but anyways, I just want to share. It's a good lesson. I'm glad it happened for the sake of the channel. For those of you guys that are watching, because listen, Hardy's a wonderful material, but you can destroy the integrity of the board if you break through it. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. And get into a webinar on Thursdays, FlipAnythingUSA.com. Join my group of fast-growing students that are becoming millionaires. Thanks for watching. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time.